Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Charmeleon, the most popular starter from Gen 1. First, change the background color to gray. Then, add new layer for the rough sketch. You can start the sketch from anywhere you like. I start it from the head, so the angle of the body can follow it. It's okay if it's a little bit messy, that's why we call it rough sketch. It's so much better if you can skip this step. Before we start to make the outline, you can add another new layer to create some details in this rough sketch. Then, turn down the opacity layer to 40%. Add another new layer to create the outline. You must give attention to the details and the proportion in this phase, so the outline layer is perfect. Make the fire outline in separate layer. We will use blending mode feature for the fire. Now the outline is perfect. Time to color it. Add new layer for the base color. Don't forget to create the base color in different layers. One layer for one color, so that you can easily change it if you find it not good. Then, add new layer for the shadow. Set it as clipping mask, so that the layer can read the layer below it. Repeat this step for every color. It may look complicated, but trust me, you can easily change the color in the end. If you give attention, I only took 3 tones of color, and it already looked perfect. 3 tones consist of the base color, or we call it mid-tones, the darker color, or we call it shadow tones, and the lighter color, or we call it highlight tones. Now, add another new layer to create the fire. Color it using dark yellow and orange. Then, duplicate the layer. Change the blending mode to add. And then, add Gaussian blur feature to make it glow. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next episode.